Known current, practice problem 1. You're turning 7.5 knots and a westerly wind is causing 2 degrees of leeway. There is a current of 47 degrees true at 1.2 knots. What course should you steer between the entrance to Quonachogtog Pond, I'm going to refer to it as Q Pond, at latitude 4119.8, longitude 7143.2, and the entrance to Great Salt Pond, 4112, 7135.6. Okay, we're going to account for current. So here's Great Salt Pond, and here's the entrance. Here's Q Pond, here's the entrance. It'll always name them in order. The first one they name is where you leave from. The second one is where you're going. It becomes important in these problems. Where did I start? Where am I going? Okay, here's our starting point. And we are going to Q Pond, to the entrance. A lot of people are tempted to use, you can see there's a cable area that runs right here, which is a dotted magenta line. A lot of people are tempted to use that line, and they do get the right answer, but it's not exactly the same. So always draw it. Okay, we drew a line from Great Salt Pond to Q Pond. Now we need to account for the current, and it says the current is 47 true at 1.2 knots. So we're going to plot that current. 47 true. I always use my divider trick. It's just easier for me. 45, 6, 7. It's 47 true. True. And remember, the current, we started at the center, we went toward 47. So we are going to start at the buoy and go toward. I almost messed up. I'm sitting here telling you how to do it, and I'm messing up. What is the course you should steer between the entrance to Quono Pond and the entrance to Great Salt Pond? So I was about to mess up and start at Great Salt Pond. We need to start at Quono Pond. Okay, 47 true. Caught that one just in time. 47 true. Walk up to Quono Pond. I'm going to do something here. It tricks a lot of people. Right from the center toward 47. From our start point toward 47. Now, it's strange. This is on land, right? Don't let that throw you off. We're just accounting for the current before we leave. It was at 1.2 knots. There we go. 1.2 nautical miles, right? And a knot is a nautical mile per hour. So in 1 hour, pushed us from our starting point 1.2 nautical miles at a direction of 47 true. So now we're accounting for the current with this vector here. So you are turning 7.5 knots. So in 1 hour, our boat's going to travel 7.5 nautical miles, right? 7.5. Okay, so now we have the speed of our boat. We need to give it a direction with the current, right? So, from the end of this current that we just plotted, where we intersect is the direction of our current. I'm going to make a mark there, and I'm going to keep my dividers here, bump my parallel rules up to it, and say we were starting here, we're going this direction. Take it over to the compass rose. From the starting point in this direction, we get 150, 1, 2, 3. 153, and then there's one more additional step. And a westerly wind is causing 2 degrees of leeway. A westerly wind is a wind coming from the west. This is a trick I use. I just put my dividers like an arrow. The wind's coming this way, we need to correct into it 2 degrees, which brings us to 155 from 153. Right, so we correct into it, we add 2 onto it, we get 155. We have an answer here of 154, true. That's very close. Let's look at that. It's C. Nope, excuse me, it's B. Number 1 is B, 154. Let's see if that's right. Answer, number 1 is B.